Ko e lotu whakaaho i a whakalotolahi mo a whakatu'a melie me he wholofola. Ka veinga, Talangofua ki he Matu'a. Potu wholofola, Efeso vaheono ves unwaki. Ai whanau, mo Talangofua i he eiki, ki ho o mo Matu'a. He kohono totonu ia. Amen. Ke tau lotu. Eik SISU, whawheta i e mau whekau ma aku. I e kulau mo whanongo ki he wholofola o e ahoni. O kune omi ai whaahinga ongo, keu mo ui tukulolo. Keu si aki hoku ki tā mo e ku fie mau, mo hoku ki i loto. Kau whai ai whekau mahu inga o e ahoni. Keu whai Talangofua ki he e kuongo Matu'a. Ko hono totonu ia. Mo oni pe e ki o ku lahi whau e ku talangata a mo i ta e fie whanongo ki he leo e kuongo Matu'a. Pea wiku ai o tō ki he ngahi whainga taa. Ka ia e ku tali koe SISU ki he ku mo ui. Pea toki ai o ilo ai mo oni mo e whakahinohino ai wholofola. Ke u Talangofua ki he kuongo Matu'a. He kohono totonu ia. Eiki, malo ho o whakahinohino mo tataki au. Ke u tauhi ki he whekau kua whai ma aku he ahoni. Iho hua whape SISU kalaisi ko koe hok whakamo ui. Amen. Whakamaloat ke te koe o ku ke kau mai ke ta lotu huwhia he hawani. As a youth and young adult, it is always difficult to accept the message of today. That message is to obey and listen to your parents. We, a lot of the time, think we know better, we are wiser, we can do things behind our parents' back, we manipulate them and lie about a lot of things. But let me assure you, our parents, they know. Sometimes we forget they have lived a life before us. They gave birth to us. So they know life more than what we know. We sometimes, as young couples, think we've started a family and we should not listen to anything our parents have to say because we are no longer living at home. But the Bible and all that is written will still stand. It tells us to obey our parents, for this is right. No matter where life takes you, your parents will always be your parents. God promises you and I there is a blessing for those who obey their parents. If you're finding it hard to accept the message of today because of a situation you're dealing with your parents, may you accept the word of God today. Seek His comfort and guidance as you choose the right path to take. Thank you to you all who have joined and subscribed to this channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. That way you're kept up to date on daily prayers of hope and encouragement from the Bible. Thank you and God bless.